Hello. In this video, we will go over how the approval phase of an initiative takes place. When a new initiative is published and you are the approver, a notification at the top of your homepage informs you that there is a new action to be taken. You can also find all initiatives awaiting your decision by clicking on the My Actions to be Taken block. By clicking on the title of the relevant initiative, you will access its page, and several options will be available to you. Approve the initiative and decide on its implementation. Reject the initiative by specifying the reason, and optionally adding a comment. Or click on the Options button. In this menu, you'll find options to assist you in making your decision, such as requesting further details from the author if you need more information. You also have the option to put the initiative on hold or transfer it to another approver. For this tutorial, we will approve the initiative and begin planning its implementation. As the approver, it is up to you to designate the person responsible for implementation. You can then choose a start date, followed by either an end date or an estimated duration for the implementation. Below that, you can specify the estimated workload. This workload represents an assessment in terms of the number of days required to carry out the initiative. Feel free to provide recommendations for the implementation, add attachments, internet links, or links to other initiatives. And finally, click Submit. The initiative is now approved and awaiting implementation by Larry. Our next video will cover the implementation phase. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.